Royal Television so ni adwuma de friend say Wake Up Africa ana braso a ene awie so mo so mfo de hye yaw odam kodua matranse na afi eye anyansafo emienu a awie bre mo twedi ampo yankopon de na dom yen say na difo of Apoku Danko executive director Edema Wake Up Edema Freedom Mind Movement and afi Owura Israel no so coordinator Edema Freedom Mind Movement obatranse na ya ba so mo wie na enkomo ada pronso a ya hya ase be bo so me ne na wotwe kakra ne no yebusa se hwan ana Abraham ade no for the no Isaac and I say Ishmael aya chechi mu ano ibedum pempenso a ye ka se ene esom anase religion nanim guasie nyina wada ne wansane wo sen na so ntumi nka no enyinara democracy nti ye hwe se the democracy no affect religion amra kwa kudu ani nti ne religion akwa se biota frache wansane o senso na ontumi enka eno ntime se so betwa pin kasafoni na fi woni yedi nkomo wadwenchiri nyina no wode befa 0200421723 0200421723 ebre papa mu no je bekenkan e dia ma ka se nduma ko abo echi dom ye de bre no ye Israel consult o mo ne o mo de spectacle abadwa so a eboa eyi ni so ha nyina firi ho me ka se nyete na se biota frache nya ni frayare ana se glaucoma dia o hawa hudo bi aka wani su bia no unya aye continuous spectacle ne bia e bi ye free ho e dia mount sada so na heba na je hebala wo mo de hepa plus abadwa so no se no bi for general well being na free so na san siesie brebu no mawo na wapom de NCP NCTA yo pavium plasma so ho e no so malaria de etu na se so nkokwan so kra e di se o yare na se malaria parasite na ba ni padua mu dia de so pe e pavium plasmos de twato e ya bapamo ene wo se trafie na wankasa fo mobile phone na nyema wodo bia opebia no oda na momfa emra umpewi na apɛ mohe sanwa koi na bo echi dom yitumede Wake Up Africa dwumadi ebro na wotwe bia jabusia yan say bra na se enkyare ho no ye de common be hye so na me ka wo say books ahodo no ni nyina bi odwa so ba ko a migu so abo ho dawro so bia benya bi no e book reference from Babylon to Timbuktu e book bi a wonya bi ade so adi wo mu no e do so papa ana mo so ana mo busa me e original Bible no e bi ho de obeya ne so be frɛ 0244686557 0244686557 na on side tumi aka yen krata ahodo ni nyinara e bi Israel.
Yeah.
Mo akwaba.
Me da wasimenia.
Na pom ti sei.
O mpa ebo.
Na me ebi o.
Yawe.
Yo bibinum bi. Na de ye be pon na meto.
Afina
se. Into a new year.
That is it.
New year no.
You catch your body here.
Of
life and color.
Okay, you be pon meto bibinum na ma o ya kai me.
Absolutely.
You said you was fine. Ababoko ye klaro ye ji ahomena ye hu ade bia me ani age me ti me hu se wada roma a church na mo na so ti ko na chase biebi tim se ndo afida se ne no na du so aha na du papa una ato so yenza me ka chi ofa last week o dia fra adisua de bebre mu me hye how democracy enya nshinsanso ewo eye esoma hodo so a ene esoma no sabiota fracha ewo hode na so mutumi na mu ahoden no amem se democracy na transo ama hode fa bible ni ma revelation no ubobo ma obi se na obi okanya nyamyasem ko achima but o se de oye ne sabi oye din se hunu to ojaye mama for face wa hwiase on hwiase but we dey oye afa ne so obesa sie so se ya nwie ti obe same last week dey na app kakra mai se dey be obi a the first time a o dey hwe bi ne no obi mo ba bi free ba na fe o dey o hato aso mai
yo ya me do ase ni di kan ye be chia ahwefo nyina
ahwefo je so
na ye di abase ampa yefrasie na die nti a yaba beduru baabi a yeduru akoye ti say Christopher Gramofo esum bia no aya na omu peso omu che say omu gina omu na so gise bibi ama no bia ko se no religious atabi a lebu no bomu no omu de ba na na ewiwe mu ma yehu say omu kwa omu nisi.
Okay.
Especially the Babu democracy mono. If it's a democracy aba the secular laws e pia oba de emra ni nyina to agu baabi na ekom ye kohwe you can use America for and a democracy or mutuni franca.
Okay.
The conscription American role who play in global politics and a dear called Revelation 13:11 to 18. So no adwuma a shedding says so ye ema the beast sabejina ne naso enye nti akekan ema ebe hu say democracy o hon ko ade a ene na religion oni bia because onu kwambo ene obeka say freedom of religion the ofru so person osum bia no emra bia no we si ukwan
okay
nti ebo na abesum no the space here shami na abesum no akonya otusi no ubesum no any the right
yeah
if there any about era of human rights any freedom nti akeke kan bia ye ba be wie no ye no ba be si na me kan say ye hwe wiase aman nyina obi a wo constitution na yan kire me oman bia ono ni constitution mu no oba ade emra ba kumpo ewo mu ye nye ho ni anu si ye
okay
nti ena no ye ba be free say na the democracy no kra dey na be pay Africa
okay
because see it me emra African countries started so omunya omu independence no na yakoto aba sabre no na hu parties ahodo a na wo ho ba ni ni opposition party ni any governing party akopon say to aba ni wie the Ghana nya independence no Osaje for be prime minister the following year the nya republic to obey a president no actually no the mrabi by preventive detention act if they don't mean tolerate opposition no
okay
do I say na chimugumu dia no ano and the group be no Ghana be one party state sa na other countries so ebi because Cote d'Ivoire no nyina na one party state it need new opposition 65 where you buy na be EU no
yes
independent countries are na Africa nyina ko share say the president dey charter bi ba na fi Africans we nka bomu eba enu bo ni hu say bia enya we be wani no itu ase
ni ntwaso
nti wo mu na be so asoda fo asene if you all hu say ye me training wo officers
okay
nti no say na bibi say aba no say e contact wo mu ni aka kire wo mu bibi ni so de onya yi dollars kakra na yi say pe na dwen be sesa nti from 65 omu be year series of coup d'etats in Africa by 1977 na 32 independent African nations no OAU abeye AU neno nemu 22 under military regime
okay
the first abero and almost started say hey most of my ya mo benya rabas into military spending and your pins go and your wages we amba no akrabi because so bo kumba omu di ya chisa
that's omo am pay yen kambom
because we say mo kambom na we ya aba enti ekwan bia obefa so a obefo suit na sa de ani ye oba obeye and oye and o subsidy and obeso military regimes so asini military spending almost be ye bibri that we do baby no no ma yes no David and then you have the democracy and ever
yes
and the krobia one for one ye democracy mono yem so wasne aid unya bi sabra no almost started so mo kana this was in the 90s no na Eastern Europe so Russia satellite nations
yes
afiasi ama obiara so penefa ho bi nti obiara need the same resources ya
okay
internet say intimate Ghana haya na bi mo kan say oh yani corporate democracy mo bua ne e bua china
ye compare no he
de compare Trilateral Commission book one page me dem wa kan bibi o ha
okay
book no ne kase me de aba hada
yes
and then
tinta boss ami that's a some about
trilateralism the Trilateral Commission and Elite Planning for World Management page 27 overview yeah we be kan
last paragraph no
okay we are na me
right I say how do the trilateral powers keep third world states cooperative? In the wake of World War II, old-style colonialism gave way to neo-colonialism. The neo-colonial state has formal political independence, but in reality, its economic system had thus its political policy is directed from outside.
Yes, they need to me. The person will be a say politics, say economics. If you are between neighbor.
Yes. Instead of a single colonial master, the neo-colonial state may have many new masters. Western governments, especially the US, the International Monetary Fund, that's almost a year. One of the three said it to Todefa. We are the mystery. I buy the Basu be a non-cast about home news Casimu. So, yeah, it didn't see it. That's all I can say. I say banking consortiums, global corporations. Western powers have intervened repeatedly to sabotage and smash government, which challenged the tightly woven fabric of dependency. Wow. Iran, 1953. Guatemala, 1954. The Congo, now Zaire, 1960. Brazil, 1964. Dominican Republic and Indonesia, 1965. Bolivia, 1970 to 1971. Chile, 1973. The 1961 Bay of Pigs invasion of Cuba, orchestrated by the CIA and top government and military officials with President Kennedy's approval, was defeated.
So we are. And you know, external forces we na your political and economic anamuntu we kuruma ya almost started
but I'm far back with so asem no na omonti ase na kan dia ba bia be to be ye ka free ho or say debt dependency is one of the neo-colonial leashes around a third world country's neck. The leash is let out to allow Western directed development projects to gallop ahead, returning enormous profit of foreign corporations and banks of Amdesiwa.
Sir, Ediani atian mun ya boka na ya kadoso ya ewadi.
Agrobi dio.
Geopolitics no say your politicians munni mu afi mun ko sua.
Yes.
Na afi mun ti ase. E na be hu say broni genuinely oprowasem a anaso town. Be hu ni nyina.
Yes.
Now we ba ko sua no so conspiracy theory. Bibia ni bi ase a friend conspiracy theory. And I make catch them.
Okay.
Me started my research. Sa na mi ko kan bibia conspiracy na me dey make up. Be you no and you know me now first na graphic mu ni Ghanaian Times mu na me free na mu say oh and we na mo say conspiracy theories no and you met us
okay
and ma to aso dia be see me and you think ka conspiracy theory a na ka say uti ni bi akotom ndi we na yi besu abi o ko abegum kuro we say and you bi an we friend conspiracy theory
okay
na no krepa na e ka on person obehu no krenti na
this theory na ba
theory aba na so akodi akiri na ru afi na so kuom eho e kiri na America no the okay HS o mo direct economic and political structure
yes
1980s and o mo kan say economy na ejama mo amunya independence no mu kura mu no ano aye do afi ntimi nyini enti adi bibi ba ye friend structural adjustment
yes
na dachi bi ebe kan ho asem document yi wo ha no a e kan but me nya ho na me ko me beze me say nkomo no
yes
enti no de ba ha ni say ye be gitunu from 1983 and ye kuremu a de abesi ne Yes, yeah, adjustment. Send your economy ni beti yenini. Nanso mpanyimfo ano mo ha that time then misa abrofo no say na ye ba be mini no whose benefit. Wa na be ko. Yeah, ho na e ba na say mo ho na e ba. Ye misa eni edi akiri. Ye kura economic structural adjustment imua the abesi 2021. Abaye asesudua bi. We economy no na akwakohwe we fiti ananse emfiti eni aya ebesi na ese economic structural economic development abano 2021 ede eni eka eni economy na say eni economy na say eni economy no enkoye aban no otisi no antimi amye wa fa policies papa ama also ana o ka we no maybe aba wo na na otiso ena almost be ka economy we ena mo ko hu senchi niti ni hu ye ko ye ko wie no ehun ni man ko ade ye den ewi ase ana fufu ku ya ni sha dwan ko mo ze mo amamu a enyi ye hu kire ye de boni ade structural adjustment ni ye ni se no de nkakra no boy abeto international finance and your friends say marketing system num
okay
senior unya betum dia twitwe na control unya no bi because my integrated do aba or the economy number that was in the 80s 1990s everyone say the democracy so ba na democracy no se one trem ho a medi line mu na mo ni ankwa economic aid the economic aid asesudie ni and the headlines ubia o de mami hu na kase kan ana se nan kan nti we na di kan
I see democracy as factor for aid question paper by mo anobisa we graphic Thursday December 6 1990 after pim hankron adiokono
enko
1990 opanima bosomenim ne da na toso ensia na ya wada avenko next one na yen
next one yes
don't impose multi-party politics on African states.
We the other kind kakra.
Okay.
Ahmed Salim. Okay. Salim Ahmed Salim.
EU Secretary General wants Western leaders. 26.
Say no kura say ya di shebi ene eba abetu eso say yenko democracy anka EU Secretary General come kasa. Can be kakra o me.
26 June 1990 graphic and the buyer. Or say the OAU Secretary General Salim Ahmed Salim has warned Western leaders that their attempt to impose multi-party politics in Africa by threatening to withhold aid would fail. Salim issued the warning in Nairobi on Saturday during a brief stopover on his way to Madagascar. Okay.
Yes,
3rd July 1990 graphic and the buyer. Was the conditions on aid must not be based on Western European concept of democracy.
What you can say?
We are from Kojo Yanka. Is it Maastricht, Netherlands? Okay, hold on. Ghana Secretary for Finance and Economic Planning, Dr. Kwesi Botwe, has told. Okay, right. Was the Ghana Secretary for Finance and Economic Planning, Dr. Kwesi Botwe, has told a meeting in Maastricht that political conditions attached to aid to African countries should not be based solely on Western European concept of democracy. Now, me how they say you can't win now, and you're done so still you're trying to see.
Oh, that's all they're all coming back.
6 December 1990 Ghanaian Times. Donors attach increasing weight to democratic reforms. Okay. And also can lead now.
Can lead.
I see developed countries will keep aid flowing to the third world despite other costs on their money, but assistance will be weighed against a country's level of democracy. Okay, a senior OECD development official said on Tuesday. Okay. We see 30th August 1990, Ghanaian Times said the buyer was it the West mustn't dictate Africa's political future. UK Lord Lord Tony Gifford, member of the British House of Lords, said yesterday that Western countries should not dictate to Africa the type of democracy they